Hello out there to you. In this problem, I got an AP micro practice problem. Was sent to me. So if you just look at it, we can tell it's a monopoly. We've got a downward sloping demand curve. Inside of that is marginal revenue, which is a function of the change in the total revenue function, which comes from multiplying price times quantity along that demand curve. So let's answer the questions here that we're going to run into. It says at 50 units of output, how much would a profit maximizing monopolist charge? So you just go to read the graph. We're going to go to 50. We're going to follow it up to where it hits the demand curve, which is right there. And that first answer would be 60. So we would charge 60 for that. The second question, how many units would it produce if I want to maximize total profit? So for this one, we want to look at where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. So if you want, you can go down the demand curve. If you want, you can go up the marginal cost curve. Either way, right here. And then we're going to follow that all the way up to where it hits the demand curve right there. So the price, that's not what they're asking. They're asking about units. So the units would be 40. But the price would be 70 at that profit maximizing quantity. Would be the socially optimal price set by market demand. So we're looking for where does demand equal marginal cost. So follow marginal cost over to where it hits demand, and that would be at 60, which is coincidentally also where marginal revenue hits the quantity axis. So this is also where total revenue is maximized. That's not the question it's asking there, but it is a common question that's asked on the AP exam. Calculate the firm's total revenue at the profit maximizing price. Okay, so total revenue, we're just going to go price times quantity. So it's 70 times 40. And so that's 7 times 4, and then 2 zeros. So it's 2,800. And then if government regulation required that this firm produce 60 units, they still earn a profit. Okay, so we're going to come over here. They're going to charge $50 for 60 units, and then we want to see what's the relationship here with this guy. So right to there. So since the price is above average total cost, the answer would be yes. And you can say some version of because price is greater than average total cost. There you go. That's answering this type of question for the AP exam.